What's up, guys, and welcome to my new content about firearms. Today I'll be talking about the AR pistols, specifically the Anderson Manufacturing AM-15 and the issues that these budget AR-15s have. So, as you know, they have a failure to feed, a failure to eject, double feed problem, whatever. It's the most common issues with these. What I did to resolve it, I watched a bunch of YouTube videos, try to gather some knowledge because I am new to the platform. And I came to the conclusion that it just needed a whole brand new bolt carrier group. This is the one that I bought. The AR-15 BCG Salt Bath NITRIDE by FAXON Firearms. You can get it for a little cheaper than that. I didn't end up paying that from my local firearms dealer. I tried changing the gas rings in the bolt. That didn't work. I seen somebody do that on YouTube. That's why I tried that. What I did was I took out the whole bolt carrier from another AR-15 that I have, specifically a Daniel's Defense one that I have, and I dropped it in here and I shot a full mag, and I was like, seems like I just need a whole bolt carrier group, and my local firearms dealer happened to have that one, so I dropped that in, and that solved the issue. You can see it in there. And I kid you not, I put about 500 rounds to this firearm non-stop, trying to torture test it to see if it would happen again. Didn't have that problem. So maybe this solves you guys' issues. Please like, comment, subscribe. I will be doing a lot more uploads about firearms, as this is my new hobby now. Thank you, guys.